Hi! In front of me is the OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by opening settings. Now choose security and location, tap on face unlock and choose enroll face. Now enter your current login method. Read the disclaimer, choose start enroll and read the instructions. When you're done, click OK and remember to be still. So now when I click home button, then turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!